today we are going to do the first Truck Series event. So, here is your lineup of trucks. And here's the sign up to people. Here is today's track. They probably will not make it to the end. So, how many ever coins they have in their back is how many points they get. 1 point per coin. We're going to have 5 episodes. And then we're going to start a new season. So, and then we will have a winner for our season. So, it does not matter where they go, it just matters how many coins they have. So let's get started. Starting with Hypertruck. I'm pretty sure that's driven by Pufferfish 501. Pretty far. Pufferfish did not lose any of his coins. Let's see how the Chevy Silverado, pretty sure driven by Jordan Hot Wheels, will do. One of his coins fell out. So the Silverado lost one of his coins. Let's see how the me in the El Camino will do. Oh man, I think I didn't keep any. Let's see how the Ford F-150 will do. Pretty good. So we have Fig Rig now. Fig Rig managed to keep both his coins. Will the Ford be able to? Mjfan Guardian do? How will the Ford Raptor do? He lost both his coins also. How will the Ford F-150 2009 do? Yikes, he lost both his too. These are the 3 that went the farthest, and here is your scoreboard. Who is leading, whatever. So that's going to be all. It's going to wrap this video up. See you next time.